Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Moni. I know it has been a minute. I'll probably be doing like a catch-up video soon, like an up-to-date kind of video too. But back to today's video. So before we get started into this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below. And make sure you hit that thumbs up and hit that bell for more notifications. And let's get started with this video. So I said let's get started, but I didn't say what we were going to be doing. Okay, my bad. So in this video today, I am going to be transforming my hair into this. So I'm going to make this a two-part video because I know this process is going to be long and I don't want the video to be too long, so I'm just going to make it two parts. So the first part, I'm going to be removing this color and then I'm going to be bleaching my roots. And then the second part of the video, I'm going to be applying the color, blow drying, and flat iron, styling, all that good stuff. So now, before we get started into this video, make sure you guys hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and let's actually get started this time.
I want my, and if you can't, I want my, and if you can't, I want my, and if you care, done. I want my, I want my, I want my nails done. I want my, I want my, I want my, I want my hair done, my hair, and if you care, done.
So what I'm going to be using to remove the color is the color remover, Loreal. Then to bleach my roots, I'm going to use my handy Pt.1, and I think I'm going to use a 20 developer just because I'm not trying to fry my hair. And then I'm back with my Loreal highlights. My Loreal high colors in the shade red, and then I got two different colors. So I got two sizzling coppers, and then I got one copper red. I'll insert a picture or a color of what it's supposed to look like. So I am going for, because it's fall too, so I think a nice little fall color, so like the burnt orange copper kind of color is what I'm going for. This is how my hair looks now, so it's like the dark burgundy. You can barely see, my hair is a mess right now, but like, okay, this is my natural hair. So hold on. As you can see, I haven't dyed my hair in a year, so this is all 1 year's worth of hair growth right here. It's pretty good. And then I have, this is like the dark burgundy, and then these bright ends was the orange. But this is all from the last video I dyed. I'll insert a video or a picture of it, but this is all from when I dyed my hair with the Loreal highlights a year ago actually. So the color, it lasts a long time, and it didn't fade that much either. So, but let's get started to this video. Okay guys, so I'm back. I divided my hair into different sections. After detangling it, I look crazy. But so I'm actually very scared. Like, I'm about to try this, the Loreal color packets, but I've heard that it doesn't always work, or that you need like 2 of them or something. So I'm just hoping. I tried to go to Target to get some color oops, but they didn't have any. So I was like, okay, well, I guess I'll try, and then I'll go from there. And then it says that you're supposed to mix it. I'll show you, but you're supposed to mix it depending on what color shade. So either mix it with water or 20 developer, and then it gives you the specific amount of time, how long you're supposed to hold it onto the hair, and then like how much. So I think it's usually either 2 or 2.5 fluid ounces. But I don't have a measuring cup, so I think I'm just gonna eyeball it until it gets kind of Most people, it turns more like a liquidy kind of mixture. So that's what I'm really gonna go for. So I'm really just, you know, testing the waters here, hoping that it works and lift this color up. So I guess we'll see. Okay, so I mixed it up. Hopefully you can kind of see. I didn't really make it too liquidy. It's kind of still like a little thick, so that's what I'm hoping. Fingers crossed. Okay, so I probably should have got 2 packs. When I tell y'all, I've been scraping this cup, trying to get every last little droplet out. So like this side, like it actually look like it's lifting, doing something. So I'm hoping, but I hope this side lifts because it's not as much stuff on it as this side. So I rinsed it out and this is all the color. Honestly, I guess I'm surprised. Even though all the color didn't come out, a good majority did. My hair just doesn't want to get rid of color, obviously. So I think I'm just about to condition it and then I'm gonna wait to yeah. Alright guys, so it's the next morning. This is about to be a long process. So I'm about to bleach my roots to get rid of all this black. As you can see, my hair does look a little dry. I put a leave-in conditioner in it last night. But after I finish all of this, I will be doing a deep condition. Alright, so I'm still gonna keep it fast forward while I bleach my roots. So I think you can hear the TV in the background, but I think I'm gonna go rinse this out, even though like my roots are dyed, but some of the ends are still dark, but I'm not trying to fry my hair off. So I think I'm gonna go rinse it in like 5 minutes. And then finish this side of my hair. I only did this little section, but I think I'm just gonna go rinse this up first. So I went ahead and rinsed this side out. I'm blonde. I just don't like how it's my hair is 20 different colors. But hopefully it won't be that bad when I put the color on top. I have to finish this side up, but this side is pretty much already almost blonde. So I'm about to hurry up. So I'm about to, sorry, TV's a little loud. I'm about to go rinse this out while this is finished processing, because this has been on here for a minute. So I'm gonna go rinse this out, then I'm gonna wash, condition my hair, and that's basically gonna be it for the rest of part 1. So let me go first.